You think you know Los Angeles? Forget Hollywood Boulevard. East Hollywood is where the real magic happens, and I'm about to show you why. Welcome to East Hollywood, a vibrant neighborhood that often gets overshadowed by the glitz and glamour of Hollywood Boulevard. While the iconic Walk of Fame and bustling tourist spots draw crowds, East Hollywood offers a unique cultural tapestry filled with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. From eclectic eateries serving international cuisine to charming parks and local art scenes, this area is a treasure trove of experiences that reflect the true spirit of Los Angeles. In this video, we'll take you on an engaging journey through East Hollywood, showcasing its lesser-known attractions and inviting you to explore the real magic that lies beyond the tourist traps. Get ready to uncover the authentic charm and creativity that make East Hollywood a must-visit destination. The vibrant arts scene. East Hollywood is home to a thriving arts community that reflects the neighborhood's diverse culture and creativity. One standout venue is the Los Angeles Museum of the Holocaust, which not only educates visitors about history but also serves as a platform for local artists to showcase their work. The streets of East Hollywood are alive with vibrant street art and murals, transforming blank walls into powerful expressions of identity and social commentary. These colorful displays not only beautify the area but also foster a sense of belonging among residents. Additionally, local art events, such as gallery walks and community workshops, encourage engagement and collaboration, allowing artists and art lovers to connect. Join us as we delve into this dynamic art scene that makes East Hollywood truly special. Culinary delights. East Hollywood boasts a diverse food scene that tantalizes the taste buds with flavors from around the world. One must-visit spot is Skirl, renowned for its innovative brunch menu that features unique dishes made from locally sourced ingredients. The influence of various cultures is evident in the local cuisine, with everything from authentic Mexican tacos to savory Ethiopian dishes available at every corner. This melting pot of flavors creates a culinary experience that reflects the neighborhood's rich diversity. Don't forget to explore the food trucks and hidden gems scattered throughout East Hollywood, where you can discover authentic flavors that you won't find in traditional restaurants. Join us as we take a delicious journey through East Hollywood's culinary delights, encouraging you to savor every bite. Cultural landmarks. East Hollywood is rich in cultural landmarks that define its unique character and history. One iconic spot is the historic Vista Theater, known for its charming Art Deco architecture and vintage ambiance. This beloved venue not only screens classic films but also hosts special events that celebrate cinema in a nostalgic setting. Another significant site is the Hollywood Forever Cemetery, which serves as a resting place for many of Hollywood's legends. Beyond its somber purpose, it hosts cultural events like movie nights and concerts, fostering a sense of community and remembrance. These landmarks are more than just places, they are gathering spots that bring people together, celebrating the arts and history of East Hollywood. Join us as we explore these cultural treasures that make the neighborhood truly special. Community and diversity. East Hollywood is a vibrant tapestry of cultures, boasting a rich diversity that is reflected in its multicultural population. This community is a melting pot, with residents from various backgrounds contributing to the neighborhood's unique character and charm. Local festivals, such as East Hollywood Pride, celebrate this diversity, bringing together people from all walks of life to honor love, acceptance, and unity. These events not only showcase the talents and traditions of different cultures but also foster a sense of belonging among residents. The community spirit in East Hollywood is palpable, with neighbors supporting one another and coming together for various initiatives and celebrations. Join us as we explore the heart of East Hollywood, encouraging you to appreciate the incredible sense of community that makes this neighborhood truly special. Conclusion. In summary, East Hollywood is a hidden gem that offers a wealth of unique experiences beyond the bustling Hollywood Boulevard. From its vibrant art scene and diverse culinary delights to significant cultural landmarks and a strong sense of community, this neighborhood truly captures the essence of Los Angeles. We encourage you to venture off the beaten path and explore East Hollywood for yourself, where you can discover the magic that lies within its streets. If you enjoyed this journey and want to see more content about the incredible places in Los Angeles, be sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support helps us bring you more exciting explorations of the city's hidden treasures. Thank you for joining us, and we can't wait to see you in East Hollywood.